Today we're going to be testing out my new set of Tooli-Art acrylic brush pens. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know that I love Tooli-Art acrylic paint pens, and I already have their brush pen set, but what's unique about this set is it has this automatic flow control, and I really was interested in trying it out. So when you open the box, I'm immediately greeted by the lovely variety of colors, and as they always do, they included some replacement nibs. This is one of the things I love about Tooli-Art. And then you just see these beautiful colors. They're all numbered, and it's a really nice variety for an essentials set. So this is a really good starter set color-wise. It's got everything you could possibly need and then some. There's gold and silver in there as well. It came with a swatch card and an info packet, and the things that I want to highlight that are in this packet that are important is you recap these immediately after use, store them in a cool place away from heat and direct sun, and always cap the pen before shaking. So to use them, we're going to shake them, we're going to test it on paper before painting, and then again we're going to cap them immediately after we use them. So another really unique feature about these pens is that you don't have to prime them the way you do with traditional paint pens. You just have to shake them, open it up, and it's ready to go. And so let's see how these fare on this swatch card that they included. This is kind of a new feature on their newer sets where they include the swatch card, so you can actually go through each of the paint pens. They're labeled by number so that you can see what it looks like, and you can keep this so you know how you want to use the colors on your projects. But this is a rock painting channel, so of course we're going to switch gears and we're going to swatch these colors on a little Santorini heart that I have had waiting to be painted. I'm going to use skinny washi tape to create enough grids on this little Santorini stone to test all of the colors in the box except black and white, which another plus for Tooli-Art paint pen sets, they often will include 2 black and 2 white, and they did that in this set because they know that we use those colors a lot. So let's get the little turntable and the non-slip surface down, and let's look at these colors on the Santorini. So immediately I noticed that the difference with these brush pens to my other set is that this auto flow technology allows the paint to really flow freely to the brush tip on the pen, so you get really good coverage. You're not struggling to get enough of the paint out of the pen. It just flows very nicely and it's very smooth to use. The tip can be used to do thick coverage or thin coverage. I think it's as close as you can get to having like a paintbrush. So I like this because these are portable. You could take them with you without having to take paintbrushes and something to rinse the paintbrushes in. It's very portable with a nice variety of colors if you wanted to take them on a little road trip or take them to work and do a lunchtime rock while you were on your lunch break. And you can see here the thin tip also works well, so I think these would work well for writing, and then you can also kind of lay it down more on its side to get more full coverage for coloring in an area. These paint pens also have the little window along the side, so you can actually see inside and see how much paint is in there. So if you have certain colors that you use more than others, you'll be able to see as they're kind of getting low, and I really love that feature. It's really nice to be able to see kind of where your pens are sitting as far as what product is left inside of them. And as we're getting further into the swatch, I just want to highlight that I'm really impressed with the color selection that's in this set, because it gives you the nice bold bright colors. You've got a selection of pastels, you've got some earthy tones, there's also gold and silver in here, and then again there's 2 black and 2 white. There's a kind of almost like a skin color, a really light cream color. So I feel like the variety that's in this set, you could function quite well if this is the only thing that you owned. Doing lots of different designs, you know, different holidays, different themes. You've got such a nice variety of colors in this box that I think it's a great starter set for someone that maybe is just getting started, or if you just want the ease of being able to use pens versus getting out, you know, paint brushes and paint. You also have a little bit more control because you hold it. It's a pen, right? So you hold it like a pen, so you might feel more comfortable, like you have more control with this kind of mode. So if it's not clear at this point yet, I'm impressed. I really like these paint pens and I'm glad I got them. Let's peel off that washi tape. This is just a fun effect to let the Santorini stone kind of shine through a little bit. And like happens with paint, some of the paint has snuck through under the washi tape, so I'm just going to take my little nail drill and clean up the edges on each of these little spots of color swatch so that it has nice clean lines in between each of the colors, and the Santorini gets a little bit of, focus and lets that shimmer shine through on the borders. I will link the paint pens, the nail drill, and the washi tape in the description of the video for any of you that are curious on how you can get your hands on them. And even though this is a color swatch rock to test the pens, it's a beautiful rock. This is going to be a fun one to give away. Let's also test these pens on a river rock. I wanted to see how they do with coverage on one of my darker stones. So I'm just going to write "You Rock" on this. Again, that auto flow technology really allows the right amount of paint to be coming out. There is no base coating behind this, and it's got really good coverage. I ended up going over it twice, but it's got great coverage. And as expected, they're really easy to write with. These are great paint pens. So quick review, these have amazing flow and coverage, no priming is needed, and it's a great color selection. I'm obsessed, and I really hope that they make more of these sets with the auto flow control in other colors, especially the neon. Tooli, please make the neon. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch. I hope this was helpful. Take care, and I'll see you next time.